Ever wondered what it would be like to control your iPhone with just your eyes? Welcome to this brand new video on how to enable and use eye tracking on your iPhone with iOS 18. This exciting new feature makes it easier than ever to navigate your device without lifting a finger. Ready to see how it works? Let's jump right in. Step 1. Enabling the eye tracking feature. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down, then go to Accessibility. Next, locate the Physical and Motor section. After that, tap on Eye Tracking. Then toggle this on. Now follow the on-screen instructions. This might involve focusing your eyes on a dot that moves around the screen. Step 2. How it works or how to apply. Eye tracking relies on a concept called dwell control. This means you need to focus and hold your gaze on a specific element for a brief period to activate it. Once activated, you can use your eyes to navigate your iPhone or interact with elements on the screen like apps opening, tapping, any options, etc. For instance, focus on an app icon, menu option, or button for a set duration, indicated by a small white circle filling up. Once filled, the action will be triggered. Thanks for watching, everyone. We hope you found this tutorial on how to use eye tracking on your iPhone with iOS 18 helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time!